Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe Little Knowledge. Atmanirbhar Bharat, Self-Reliant India. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the Abhiyan announced by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. This mission was announced by our Prime Minister on May 12, 2020. This mission was introduced with the economic package of Rs 20 lakh crores. This package will focus on economic development of our country. The main focus is on land, labor, liquidity and loss. This mission will also focus on promoting local products and brands. Some example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. PPE kits are manufactured now in India. During the start of COVID pandemic, our country was to import PPE kit. But now the large-scale production is done in India. Initially, India was having only one corona testing lab, but now India have 1,400 labs. In July 2020, Reliance Jio announced Make in India 5G network, which is created from the scratch by Reliance Jio. Atmanirbhar Bharat is not only in cutting imports but raising our skills, ability and creativity. Our Prime Minister announced that Rs 100 crore will be spent under the National Infrastructure Pipeline project to boost our economy. The government has identified 7,000 infrastructure projects to offset the economic impact of the COVID pandemic. As said by our Prime Minister, vocal for local should be mantra for every Indian. We have to make publicity of our local products. Many Indian companies are doing campaign for vocal for local. As a part of the Make in India, there is great demand for Indian toy industry. As internationally, our share is very low in manufacturing of toys. During his talk in Mann Ki Baat, our Prime Minister told that for many young entrepreneurs, it is time for make-up toys in India. We have to promote our local toys and it is time for vocal to local. There are 5 phases of Atmanirbhar package. The 5 phases are Phase 1 business including MSMEs. Phase 2 poor including migrants and workers. Phase 3 agriculture. Phase 4 new horizon of growth. Phase 5 government reforms and enablers. As we are moving towards self-reliant India, it is time for vocal to local. The 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat is economy, infrastructure, system, demography, demand. We as a citizen of India has to make this mission possible by participating in it. We personally have to use the products and services which are manufactured in India. Thank you. Please subscribe Little Knowledge.